Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
We're gonna blow away. A little windy today, but we're having fun. Hey, what's up, Elizabeth? Are you having fun?
Great time.
Hey, so what's up, everyone? Fred here at Uller Provides. We are walking up the Mosquito Pass. One second without the wind. Yeah. This is a wonderful hike, only about 2 miles, easy grade. And you always get out of grade. You always get out of grade. I know you are. Be free. Let's go. This is heading up to the North London Mill and North London Mine. The North London or NOLO Preservation Group has been working up here to clean up the mine and restore the mill. So the North London Mill was processing both lead and silver for the majority of it, but also gold that was discovered up here. And it was the end point of the railroad spur that came up the Mosquito Road, which is what we're on, Mosquito Pass Road. Now, Mosquito Pass Road got its name because, or the area in general got its name because they were having a debate about what to name it up here. Closed the book after a long debate, opened it up the next morning, and there was a squished mosquito. And so, simpler times, they quit their debate. They said, it's mosquito. So it's not because there's a ton of mosquitoes up here. It's just a happenstance of a funny story. And what they're working on up here is to create a backcountry experience that will be doing the backcountry skiing, a lot of low-angle terrain, which is fantastic for skiing and backcountry. It was actually the first place to have an aerial tram, so if you will, the first gondola, and it carried the ore nearly 3,000 feet. So you want to tell me about the lines?
They would be so awesome with powder.
Wouldn't it, though? How was the line up? It looked pretty
Yeah, no,
easy.
going up is fine.
Getting out in the backcountry.